everybody, and welcome to the Lazy Days of Summer collab. There are 9 of us. Let me introduce me first. My name is Lady Lori. Anyhow, we have 9 beautiful ladies. There are 9 channels, but don't worry about that because the list of everybody is going to be down in the so used to saying the destruction box, but down in the description box, and there is a playlist. So once you hit that playlist, it'll just jump to the next. No issues there. We are having a giveaway at the end of this video. I will show you mine as soon as I'm done opening up this box. It is kind of what they call a round robin. We sent a mystery box of things that we each have, our likes, and the other person builds a box for us with surrounding the Lazy Days of Summer. Mine came from Nightmare Bliss, who is Mari, I believe, or Marie. Anyhow, I got a box from her. So let's open this thing up without further ado. Hey, and while you're sitting there waiting for me to go through this box, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button over there. If it's red, turn it gray. Okay? And then don't forget, sometime during this video, if you're enjoying it, give it a thumbs up as well. I'd greatly appreciate it. As well as the other ladies in their videos too. We all appreciate the likes and the subscribes. So hang on just a second. Don't forget, you're going to be leaving a comment down below, but not yet. All right. So I got a card, and it's really cute. I love, she's got her own personalized sticker, you guys. It says Nightmare, which her name's Marilyn. So we'll open that in a minute. What we do is we will provide each other with lists of things that we like. It can be colors, it can be your favorite candy, it can be your favorite scents, it can be the size of your shirt, it can be anything, everything from flip-flops to hair, decorations and so forth. Jewelry, if you like silver, gold, whatever. I don't care what the case may be. The person gets a list of all those things. Movies, what you collect, okay? And that's basically kind of how we build our boxes. They may be different each time because a different person's building a box to send to you depending on the collab you're in. Now I'm talking too much. All right, let's get into this thing. So what I have here is my favorite candy. Yes, well, it's the candy bar. So I'm a peanut freak. So we got some paydays. And oh my God. Okay. So yes. Peanut M&Ms, you guys. Okay. A lot of you do know and some of you may not, but peanut M&Ms are my favorite. And my husband will buy them in that big, huge plastic container you find at the grocery store. Oh yeah, we get the one that's filled with peanut butter and we get the ones that are filled with peanuts. These are mine. So thank you, sweetheart. I appreciate it. I don't know how long those will last, but I might just dump them in my big jar in the refrigerator. All right. Okay, let's see. We got something glass here from Pocono Mountains. Now, she did send me some information on some of the stuff that's in here, but I hadn't gone through it yet because I wasn't here when the box came. And oh my God, okay, hang on. Hold that thought. Look at how cute. Okay, so first off, it's a little glass jar, right? And on the lid, it says favorite candy. So never mind, we're not gonna dump the peanut M&Ms in the big jar. We're gonna dump them in here. Oh, how cute. Check this out, you guys. That is adorable. But anyhow, she was mentioning how some of the things that were in here without telling me what was in there, that there was a company that was started by someone who backed creators and influencers and such, and they went out of business. So she had purchased some things and wanted me to know that. So some of these things came from a company that is no longer in business. And what do we have here? Oh my goodness, check this out. Oh, okay, love them. Animal print, yes, my favorite print when it comes to clothes. Oh God, these are hair, the little scrunchies. You know what, I should have put this in my hair. Anyway, these are pretty. These will go with a lot of my shirts that have the missing, the missing shoulder. Oh, those are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have something big. Those are the ones that I could see just straight on the top. So, okay, so that one that was wrapped up is our own candle company, Summer Vacation. It has three scents in there. So you can see it's got the 3 different flavors in a pretty mason jar. This is awesome. And then it has like instructions on how to burn it and so forth. They tell you to cut the wick, and I use toenail clippers. It's so much easier. This one has the beach and then tropical paradise and then coconut lime. Up to 100 hours of burn. That's a lot. Ooh, nice. I like how they put that top there with the wick. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say, you guys wanna smell it? They need smell-o-vision. I mean, come on, we've got YouTube. Let's get some smell-o-vision going on. That is so pretty. Okay, this reminds me of the little cookies you get at the bakery. Okay, let's see, we got, oh, and she did say that a lot of this is from back where she is. She's back east. Let me see where she is. She's in Pennsylvania, so that's the East Coast. I'm out here in California, and she did say a lot of this stuff represents her area. Look at the keychain, because I love elephants. I love elephants, you guys. And the keychain that I got from another collab that had an elephant on it is actually still on my keychain. And I also have the very first collab that I was in on my keychain as well. I think it was an elephant. Yeah, it was. It was from Erica. Oh, that is, see, I love it. That'll either go on my keychain or my purse. And an elephant sticker. See, I love it. This is the sticker cabana. So this one is whether is, oh, this goes indoors or outdoors. Okay, cool, cool. Gotta wait till I up my car before I can put that permanently on the window. And we got another little one. Oh, she did good. Look at this. Oh my, and I believe this hangs from the mirror. Look, you guys. You know what? Okay. My birthday is in August, so I'm a peridot. And that's what that green is right there. I have something like this hanging from my my rearview mirror right now, and you get to join them, or you'll replace one of them. I don't know. But you're going up there. This is so cute. I am putting that on my rearview mirror. Oh my gosh. I love it. And then from Pennsylvania, another keychain, or little tag that says smile on there. Like I said, a lot of the stuff she said is from back where she is, represents where she's from. Okay, we have 3 palettes. And I wonder if this is the ones that she was talking about where she said the company that they started up, and these are the ones that they were selling, and then they closed. And this is what she purchased quite a few of them when they were doing their going out of business sale. This is the St. Angel Sinners Cosmetics. This is Cupid's Arrow. How pretty. Look at this one. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. You guys, take a look at that. Those are gorgeous. Those are beautiful. I am a collector of palettes. And then this one here is the Unveiled Berry Nude. This is by Midas Cosmetics. These are gorgeous colors. These are seriously like right up my alley. And then we have as well Midas Served Soft. The names they come up with. I'd love to be in the boardroom creating names for palettes. Beautiful colors. Gosh, girl, you did a great job. And then we have by Country Kettle, this is the Pocono Mountain Caramel Crunch. I might have to wait a little bit before I can dig into this, only because of the dental work that I had done. Yes, unfortunately, both sides in the back, my molars. But, yeah. You know, seriously, if I had not just had dental work done, I'd probably open that right now. Okay, now I think we're at the bottom. Yep. All right. Last two, or one. Oh no, look at what she found, something with my name on it. It's a corkscrew bottle opener refrigerator magnet, and it has my name. Check that out, you guys. That is so cool. You know, I love when you can find things that are personalized. Oh, that is so cool. I don't want to take it out because I know we're working on time right here, but that is so cool. It's got the little magnet on the back so it hangs out on your refrigerator. So that is everything, you guys. Now let's get into this card. And I do deeply apologize to our, I kind of call them curators, because I do want to give a big, huge thank you so much for putting all your hard work into this. They're like curators, you know, it's the collab person, the one that authors it all, that does a lot of it to get these groups together. And that is Erica from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. So everybody give her a big, huge yay. And thank you so much for having me in this collab, Erica. I greatly appreciate it. And I am so sorry your card did not make it in your box. My bad. I taped it, put the label on it, and off it went. And the cards never made it. I'm sorry. Anyway, thank you, Erica. We love you, girl. You do a lot of work when you put these collabs together. All right, you guys, this is the card from her and from Mari, the person who sent me my box. Look at the kitty cat, and he's inside of a typewriter, an old typewriter, you guys. He's sleeping. It says, hope you enjoy. The candle is from a place about 10 minutes from my house. Oh, wow. They make great stuff. Love a nice, lazy summer. Mari. And I think that's how you say it. It's either Mari or Marie. We're usually typing in groups. It's group, you know, the conversations are typed like a text message, so you're not really hearing people say their name as much. So, you know, it's kind of one of those. And when you say Nightmare Bliss, I don't know if it's Mare, but my deepest apologies anyway. But thank you so much, Nightmare Bliss, Marilyn, for everything. I do greatly appreciate it. It was awesome. This stuff is definitely going to go to good use, and definitely a lazy day of summer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hold on just a second. I'm going to go ahead and show you that giveaway. In order to be part of this and to be eligible for the giveaway, I have one rule, and one rule only. If you're not a subscriber of mine, you are not eligible to enter in any giveaways. So that's my rule. That's my own personal rule. Now, in this collab, you must be subscribed to all 9 channels. That's just what the rules are. The deadline for this giveaway is down in the description box, or it'll be right here on your screen. Is that where I stick it, or did I put? No, it'll be right here. Okay, so I usually do put a lot of information on the screen when I am doing giveaways, just to kind of help you guys out. Okay, so what is my giveaway consist of? That's right. June, they sent me 2 duplicate boxes. Now, I do have 2 accounts, however, they are completely different profiles. But this month, they sent me 2 of the same. So this one is variation, I do believe, 201. It was the premium. This one right here, and it is 201. So it is variation 201. As I mentioned, it is the premium. And there's a sneak peek at it. That's it. That's all you get. Okay, so what is the secret word to get you entered into the giveaway that is that June box variation 201 from BOXYCHARM, the premium? It's going to be a hashtag, you guys. So make sure you push that, make sure you put that hashtag before the secret word, and it will be, that's right, express yourself. So that will get you entered into this giveaway. And I do believe that the giveaway ends on the 2nd of July, if I'm not mistaken. But nonetheless, all the rules to my giveaway and things on how I do it, are down below in the description box. Don't forget, you must be subscribed to all the channels, because when we do pick our winners, we check with everybody to make sure. There's also going to be a video down below to make sure that you are publicly subscribed. If you are not, it will show you how. That's it. That's all I got. Don't forget, the playlist is down below in the description box. And I want to give a big, huge thank you and yay to Erica from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles for inviting me to these lazy days of summer collab. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.